News PlayStation trophies can now earn UPSN credit in the USA, at least News. Microsoft's Albert Penello says Xbox One X development isn't held back at all by Xbox One S news. The scheduled giant loot box opening at BlizzCon didn't go according to plan. Feature a no-frills, regular person's review of the Xbox One X. Is it any good news? Sledgehammer addresses Call of Duty WWII's launch weekend. Server issues. News Square Enix Japan points to November 15th for new Final Fantasy 15 Comrades expansion. News StarCraft 2 is going free-to-play. News World of Warcraft's next expansion is a battle for Azeroth. News Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 getting free Hero Coliseum mode.